are merciful to each other. Brothers and sisters in Islam, today we seem to be easy with the disbelievers, difficult with the believers. We must be more merciful with each other. You know what mercy is with each other? Excuses, dua, kindness, gifts, inviting each other, friendship with each other. Today we are sometimes more merciful with disbelievers than we are with believers. Believers will seem very hard. That brother, I don't like the way he's looking at me. I don't like the way he's sitting. Something wrong with him. Why are we so always against the believers? Why are we not merciful? That brother, he's a Wahhabi. Oh, you know, we use Wahhabi for anybody now. It's just like the common swear word. Yeah, you don't like somebody, he doesn't look like you, Wahhabi. I mean, come on, makes no sense. It makes no sense. You can't just call anyone any term. Guys, have mercy in your hearts. Mercy in your hearts. Ruhama'u baynahum. And that is why, ikhwani, brothers and sisters in Islam, it was said that Abu Darda radiallahu ta'ala anhu, one of the great Sahaba, he said, listen to this. He said, I make dua for 70 of the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, my friends, by name. Every night. Every night he made dua for 70 of the Sahaba by name every night. Ask yourself, do you make dua for your brothers or your sisters? Wallahi, we don't even make dua for our own brothers and sisters from blood relationships. Imagine now our friends amongst the Muslimin. This is what you call rahmah, mercy. Ruhama baynahum means when you hear about any of our Muslim countries in trouble, whether it be Syria, Palestine, Burma, whatever it is, then your heart bleeds like it bleeds when your family is in trouble. So ruhama baynahum, you love them like you love your own family. You care for them like you care for your own family. You give them money like you're going to give your own family. You buy them food and ensure they have food just like you have food. Ruhama baynahum. Ruhama baynahum, brothers and sisters, also means that you don't use this nationality card. You don't use anything to break yourselves up, whether it be color or race. Okay, you Indian, I'm Malay. You are British, I'm Australian. No, we don't use nationality nor race to break ourselves up. We are merciful to one another. Yeah? When someone comes asking for a daughter's hand in marriage, even if he's from a different tribe, from a different race, if he's a good man, we give him our daughter in marriage. Yes? Ruhama'u baynahum. We look after our orphans. We don't abandon our orphans. Do you know how many Muslim orphans there are now? Some of the scholars, some of the charities estimated no less than 6 million Muslim orphans worldwide. 6 million. How many are we looking after at the moment? How many are we looking after? So ikhwani, it's time to look after our orphans. Ruhama'u baynahum, merciful to each other. And we should be merciful to each other because Rasulullah said so in the authentic hadith. Ar-rahimuna yarhamhumullah. Irhamu man fil ard yarhamukum man fil sama. Those who are merciful, Allah will have mercy on them. Have mercy on each other, Allah will have mercy on you.